How to enable two-step verification on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable two-step verification on WhatsApp. First then go to WhatsApp, and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find account. Click on it and then just click two-step verification, and here you will find enable. Click on it and now type any code you want here. Type it again. Now just type your email, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.